Okay, we're back. The Navien is complete. The water lines, as you can see, are all hooked up. I'll zoom in a little bit. You can see down here, there's the hot, right there. The cold, that's the condensate pump. We had to reroute the condensate. Instead of going out the house, it goes up along here, and it bends to the left, down behind the furnace, and I'm going to go back over there. One sec. Okay, we routed the condensate line. There it is. Over here. Whoop. And that's the drain pipe for the kitchen sink. The condensate pump has a check valve in it, so it doesn't allow the water to drain out of the hose. So when we shot it outside, it froze. We're in November here, almost December, so that wasn't going to work. So we rerouted it. It works fine. I did clean up the front of this ancient boiler. There were a lot of wires before. This is the after look. It looks a lot better, I think. The water heater, again, it works very well. We are very pleased with it. It's on internal circulation mode for now, but I think I'm going to run a manifold, put a water manifold right over here, and then we'll do external circulation to the manifold, and we'll do PEX line to each of the sinks, or the sinks and all of the places that water goes, and that'll give us hot water a lot faster. I don't know if you can hear it, but the unit is on now, so I'll be quiet so you can hear it. It's very quiet. Someone turned the water on upstairs, so it went on.
No, no one did.
See, it's very quiet. It'll go off in a second as soon as whoever's running water shuts it off. And that's the PEX out. The red is the hot. And that basically goes to this point right here. We plumbed it in. And there's the white PEX going to the cold. See, that's the source. See, that goes in. If you follow that down to the white input on the blue side. Very nicely done. PEX very easy to do. If you look at the old coil, the coil connections on the boiler, they're all disconnected. See, they're cut off there. So that's exposed atmosphere. Boiler is relatively quiet now. Barely goes on now. So that's that. It's really, you can hear it. The boiler is off. The fan is still going. I don't know what the fan runs after the gas light goes out. What for? Maybe that's a circulator. I don't know. I don't really know. I gotta call up the Navien people and ask them what gives. How does this thing work? It's really nice. It's a really beautiful machine. Here it is. Give you one final glance at it. Backing up on the camera to get the whole thing into view. But it's really a nice machine. It's working well. I finished the job today. I ran the condensate line to the drain pipe, and then I had to terminate the ground for the gas line back at the circuit breaker panel. And that was it. Now I'm just cleaning up. Got a whole pile of fittings and stuff on the floor. Tools, steel and plumbing fittings, gas lines, black pipe, sandpaper, electrical, materials, all sorts of stuff one would use to do a job like this. And it's going to stay here until I'm all done with the plumbing. And there's Clover playing with his ball. Hi, Clover. Clover, are you playing with your ball? Tell Daddy a story. Go ahead. Clover, tell Daddy a story. Good boy. Story. Tell Daddy a story.
Say
Yeah.
Navien.
Say Navien, Clover. Can you say Navien? Tell Daddy a story.
Chloe, say Navien.
Story.
Say Navien.
Story.
Say Navien.
Okay, tell Daddy a story. Okay, good boy.
That's the fight.
Good boy. Where's Daddy, Clovey? Where's Daddy? Tell Daddy a story. Story? Oh, good. Yeah, you're a dangerous little pooch, aren't you? Tell Daddy a story. Go ahead. The end.